It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 78. Let f be a continuous function on the closed interval from 0 to 3. If f of 0 is equal to and f of 3 is equal to negative 3, then which of the following the intermediate value theorem guarantee? Okay, remember, the condition for intermediate value theorem to hold is that the given function must be continuous, right? Okay, so let's draw the function f. Here we have information f of 0 is equal to and f of 3 is equal to negative 3, right? So if this is a 0, let's say here's a 2, so the function value is here. When x is 3, y is negative 3. So the function value is here, right? Remember, the function is continuous. So I'm just going to draw one possible function, continuous function, like that, okay? All right, answer choice A. 1 of f of 1 and f of 2 must be equal to 0. So we know that there is a 0, at least one 0 between x is equal to 0 and 3, but does this have to be either f of 1 or f of 2? No, right? No, it doesn't have to be, okay? So A is not the answer. Okay, B. F of C is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 for at least one C in the interval from 0 to 3. That is true, right? That is what intermediate value theorem is about. Here, y is 1, which is between 2 and negative 3, or negative 3 and 2, right? So if y is equal to 1, we must have x value between 0 and 3 that the function value is equal to 1. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is a C, this is f of C. Okay, so B is true. C, f of C is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 for at least one C in the interval. But look at this interval. Interval is negative 3 and 2, right? If this interval is from 0 to 3, then C is correct statement, right? Because this y is between negative 3 and 2, right? Does that make sense? Y is equal to 0. Here, y is equal to 0, right? So C is true when this interval is from 0 to 3. Okay? D, f prime is equal to 0. That's the slope of tangent line, right? Slope of tangent line has nothing to do with the intermediate value theorem. So D is not true.